Look at our health checkup results, Omar.
Oh no, so many warning signs.
Your blood sugar is high and my cholesterol is high.
The doctor wrote, change your habits or risk illness.
I'm worried, honestly.
Me too. We really need to change.
But change is always hard.
Maybe we can do it together.
What should we start with?
Let's eat more vegetables and walk every day.
And sleep earlier, no more late nights.
If we lose a little weight, the numbers will improve.
We don't need to be perfect, just healthier.
No more red marks on our reports.
We can do this step by step.
Let's start today. Salad for dinner and an early bedtime.
Yes, for our health and our future.
How did you sleep last night?
It was hard at first. I'm used to staying up late.
Me too. The room felt too quiet.
Me too. The room felt too quiet.
I watched you fall asleep and then I felt sleepy too.
We woke up before the alarm.
I feel fresh for the first time in weeks.
Let's get dressed and go for a walk.
Look at this old jacket. It almost fits again.
My favorite jeans are less tight.
Let's hang our goal clothes on the door.
One day, we'll wear them again.
That's our new motivation.
I'm hungry.
Stick to the shopping list.
Look at those chips. They're on sale.
Now, remember the doctor's advice.
Okay, let's get spinach and tomatoes.
And some carrots and apples.
What about salmon for dinner?
Perfect with a big salad.
It sounds healthy, but I miss burgers.
We'll get used to it.
Change is hard, but we're strong.
We can do this together.
My legs feel heavy.
I'm out of breath already.
We're walking so slow.
People are passing us.
Don't worry, we just started.
Let's rest for a minute.
Okay, but don't sit down.
Let's stretch instead.
Good idea.
Ready to walk again?
Yes, let's go to that big tree.
Step by step, we'll get stronger. Maya, what's behind your back?
Nothing.
I smell chocolate.
Okay, I bought a small bar.
Can I have a piece?
Only if we share.
Deal. Just a little.
It tastes so good.
A small treat is okay sometimes.
Yes, as long as we eat healthy most days.
Balance is the key.
We finished 2 weeks of healthy living.
It feels like a long time.
I have a surprise.
What is it?
Close your eyes.
Okay,
Open them. Your favorite dark chocolate.
just one piece?
Yes, a small reward.
It tastes amazing.
We control the treats now, not the other way around.
My belt is loose.
Really? Let me see.
I moved to a smaller hole.
That's great. My shirt feels big now.
You look slimmer.
I feel lighter.
I tried my old dress. The zipper almost closed.
That's real progress.
Let's keep going.
We're on the right path.
The sun is shining.
It's a beautiful morning.
I'm not tired today.
Me neither. I have more energy.
Let's walk to work instead of driving.
Good idea.
Look at our reflection in the window.
We look happier and more confident.
Healthy habits are changing us.
I'm proud of us.
I wanted to give up yesterday,
I know, but you didn't.
only because you cheered me on.
We're a team.
Thank you for supporting me.
Thank you for not giving up.
Let's keep going, one day at a time.
Yes, for our health and our happiness.
We can do anything together.
Always. Let's eat at a restaurant tonight.
Okay, but let's choose something healthy.
Grilled chicken and salad?
Sounds good.
I'll skip dessert today.
Me too.
We can have fruit at home?
Yes, and maybe tea.
I'm glad we're doing this together.
Me too.